simple concept of spending weekend. Weekend is composed of Saturdays and Sundays, in which those are the only days we can enjoy or do whatever we like to do. Students studying here in the Philippines are always happy every time weekend is coming ahead, and they also feel sad when weekend starts to fade away. But what is the best way to enjoy weekend? Learners who are serious in studying take advantage of this to focus more on lessons and to hit the books hardly. This proves that they have the ability to learn on their own, even though it is not easy and sometimes commits few errors. On the other hand, most learners love to go anywhere to discover the beauty of nature or to swim in crystal clear water. I truly believe in the statement that going everywhere has the great opportunity to get information and to explore some places in different countries. Some says that this is one of the best ways to reduce stress or pressure that they got from studying 5 days and more than 10 hours a week. These are only some of the suggestions that I could share to you, although I believe that there are 1,000 ways to enjoy weekend. Let's spend it wisely because it is only composed of 48 hours and it is fast approaching. So make the use of it. Thank you for listening.
But this wall, it will fall. If it's the last thing I do, I'll get through. This wall in your heart.